show you how to create powerful animated image design. If you can grab Banrkit now, you will be able to start your own animated design studio agency today. We have been in the animated designs field for years and we tried and tested all the methods out there, but this is for sure the easiest and fastest way to create powerful animated image design. Check out the results that I got. Beautiful attention-grabbing animated designs made with Banrkit. Done in just seconds with hundreds of templates after starting to use this brand new cloud-based software. So create your animated design in minutes with amazing results. And sell your designs on Fiverr to earn hundreds of dollars. Amazing, right? Well, the problem is that in order to create powerful animated image design you have to stop wasting your money on unprofitable ads. Many entrepreneurs already spend money on ads, but don't advertise with animated image ads. I'll tell you right from the start that we have an unfair advantage. Now introducing Banrkit. Here's what you will have to do in order to create powerful animated image design. Choose your template, edit, animate and export. Then download it in the format you choose. Voila! So become our next animated design success story. And you will start your own animated design studio agency today, and sell animated image ads quickly and easy. Just imagine being able to achieve all this, without having to stop wasting your money on unprofitable ads. Can you imagine that? Do you want to make it a reality? Now here is the deal. I don't want you to struggle, suffer and fail to try to do this manually. I'm offering all that you need in order to create powerful animated image design on a silver platter. All I ask in return is to send us an email with your success story. This is the most important thing for us to see you succeed. Because of that, you won't have to pay $500, not even $300. For only a fraction of that. During this launch, you can get Banrkit for a ridiculously low one-time fee price and finally create powerful animated image design. Please note, the longer this is on the marketplace, the higher the price is going to be. In fact, the one-time fee price you are seeing right now, it's the lowest price it will even be, and it's increasing very soon to a monthly subscription. So here is what I want you to do. Don't refresh the page and don't bookmark it either. Go ahead and click the Buy Now button below and join the hundreds of successful Banrkit members. After the launch ends, the price will increase significantly, but heck, even at $500. This would be a seriously good investment. You would get your money back in no time. I'm completely confident that Banrkit is exactly what you need to finally create powerful animated image design. In fact, I'm so confident that I'm going to make this a complete risk-free decision for you. I will offer you my "this will work for you too, no questions asked" 30 days money back guarantee. So there is absolutely no risk for you. So click the Buy Now button below and join the Banrkit members. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you about the bonus. Because I want anybody to be able to profit from the power of Banrkit, even the beginners. I will give you at no charge our social media marketing made simple ebook. Throughout this book, we will be referring to the concept of brand loyalty. It is an appropriate goal of many businesses, and with it will come sales and engagement. To reach brand loyalty, you must first have brand awareness and recognition. This is where social media marketing comes in. This ebook alone costs $47, but today you get it for free. This is a complete no-brainer offer. Just imagine that 1 week from now, starting your own animated design studio agency today and making thousands of dollars. Banrkit is an unfair advantage. That's why a ton of top animated designs veterans begged us not to release this to the public. This cloud-based software lowers the playing field. Now anybody can create powerful animated image design without. Stop wasting your money on unprofitable ads. Now, do you want to make that a reality? If so, what are you going to do? Keep doing what you've been doing. Keep getting the results you've been getting. Are you ready to take the shortcut? If so, click the Buy Now button below and profit from this crazy low discounted price and secure your spot right now. I look forward to seeing you inside, in the members area. You've made a very smart choice which already puts you leaps and bounds ahead of the competition. And make no mistake, the version of Banrkit Ultimate Agency Upgrade you just purchased is very powerful. It will help you create client designs in minutes and share them on social media and websites. This Ultimate Agency Upgrade version is including hundreds of extra templates in various niches. However, we've got a very special limited upgrade for you that will put Banrkit Ultimate Agency Upgrade on steroids. We want to give a select few of you the opportunity to keep pace with the rapidly changing trends in animated designs, so you can always be one step in front of your competition. The clients who upgraded their license to Banrkit Ultimate Agency Upgrade saw their business growing 3 times faster than ever before by only creating client designs in minutes and sharing them on social media and websites. Here are 3 reasons why you need this upgrade. Reason number 1, quickly remove backgrounds and animate designs in minutes, with only 3 simple steps, just snip. Remove background and animate. Voila! Banrkit Ultimate Agency Upgrade lets you create animated designs quicker and easier with hundreds of new templates, direct sharing to social media, and embedding your designs on your or your clients' websites. Reason number 2, embed your design on websites with a single code and make them clickable by simply copy and paste your embed code. Isn't that amazingly simple? Make your designs clickable by adding a link. And if you want to retarget your click traffic, just add your Facebook or Google Pixel codes to the image. Reason number 3, add your retargeting pixels. As a professional design agency, you want to be able to retarget views and clicks using Facebook and Google Pixels. Simple past you pixels in our Pixels module and you're all set. Sharing your designs on social media gets a lot easier with Ultimate Agency. With the Ultimate Agency version, you can share your animated image designs directly, without the hassle of downloading and posting them manually. So what are you going to do? Here's your chance to upgrade to Banrkit Ultimate Agency Upgrade, at a fraction of what it's really worth. And you get free updates and support included. This upgrade is extremely powerful, and not everyone should be granted access. If you're serious about success, then this should be an easy decision to go ahead and click the button that says, "Yes, add this to my order" down below. This version of Banrkit Ultimate Agency Upgrade takes it to the next level and makes it so much more powerful. In addition to that, you are covered by our "This will work for you too 30 days no questions asked money back guarantee." Period.